Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x8007003b on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The second solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select next or choose a different restore point. Select next, choose your favorite restore point. Click on next and finally click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video. We will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.